This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken doner kebab step by step. Begin by trimming and slicing the chicken thinly, then marinate overnight with yogurt, garlic, lemon, and spices for deep flavor. While the chicken marinates, chop vegetables, prepare flatbreads, and mix a simple garlic yogurt sauce. We will assemble and cook at high heat, finish with fresh herbs, and slice thin to serve with warm bread and sauces. Marinate the chicken in a blend of yogurt, lemon, garlic, paprika, cumin, and a pinch of salt for several hours to build flavor and tenderize. Keep the pieces thin and uniform so they stack and cook evenly on a skewer or sheet pan. While marinating, prepare sliced onions, tomatoes, and cucumbers, and chill the garlic yogurt sauce. These small prep steps make assembly quick and keep the final kebab bright and fresh. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I love how dependable they are on busy kitchen days. Check the video description for the link and other deals and to grab a pair if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use a hot grill, oven broiler, or cast iron pan to cook the stacked or spread chicken quickly, creating a caramelized exterior and juicy inside. After cooking, thinly slice or shred the cooked chicken and assemble immediately onto warmed flatbread with garlic yogurt sauce, fresh vegetables, and a sprinkle of parsley or sumac. Roll or fold the kebab tightly, press briefly so ingredients set, and serve with extra sauce and pickles alongside for bright contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.